Hello, Ebuian. Hello, Moez Lukaiza. Oh, hi, Echo. And Jax. I don't know what I'm doing today, but we'll figure that out. I had made these shelf tiles last time. I want to figure out how to make the library area a little bit spookier, but I don't know how. Top fans? Yeah, that's a new thing YouTube added. I don't know what it is, but it's interesting. Yes, I am finally streaming in your time zone. There is a Yap ranking. Yes. I may also start streaming in the mornings on, like, maybe Wednesdays and Fridays to do, like, some art stuff and focus more on, like, programming on Tuesdays and Thursdays. But I have yet to decide that, or not. So I could possibly do, if I get any commissions, I could stream working on those too. Alas, I've not gotten any commissions yet, but that's okay. I'm definitely not, like, broke and need money. Definitely not. That couldn't be me. But, I think I want to work on this environment a little bit. I also want to work on maybe some UI design. Biddy had added a new UI. Oh, why is it? Oh, I forgot. He changed this. You can get to it. How does this work? He added procedural generation, and I don't know what to do about that. Do we have it yet? Ooh, there's a worm. Look at the worm. Ignore that. Let's just add. Where is it? Forge. And let's open starting room first. Empty start room. Let's try this again. Studying the physics of water right now so I can add swimming to my game. I don't know how to make water. There we go. Yeah, so I should be able to add cards. I don't know, he changed a bunch of stuff. I might have to wait for him to figure this out. And if I add some sticker packs, then I use this. Can I click on one of these? Maybe? Oh, I think he said it only works on a controller. Hold on. Yeah. There we go. Wait, why can I... Hello? No? Can I do this now? There we go. And then I can put a sticker on the card. Like that. But as you can see, the UI here looks really bad and like basic, so I was thinking maybe I try to work on the UI here. Was it broken now? Hello? Okay, no. Doesn't work very well, but that's okay. But it's pretty cool. Then I can add a sticker to this one. Like this. There we go. Look at that. Now we have a sticker on there. Oh, look at that. It cancels out the other sticker. That's so cool. So my game is set underwater mainly. Bro's making Subnautica 3. Something's weird there. I need to change some variables on that. But that looks really cool. So yeah, that's the card system. Oh, and there we go. I can exit that. Oh, and I think it does apply. The stickers do actually do stuff. Because yeah, this one does 20 damage, and now yeah, these do different amounts of damage. So the stickers do work. And allegedly there's procedural generation now, apparently. So that's pretty cool. Because this is not the regular levels that we usually have. Pretty cool. Although, I don't know why it doesn't open the main menu anymore, but that's okay. I think Biddy was working on some new stuff, so that messed up some old things. We can add some cards. Hello, Cortez. I am trying to figure out what the heck my programmer added, because he added procedural generation, and now a bunch of things are different. That's okay. So I'm just messing around right now. There we go. Look at that. I think he also changed how the cards work, so now you keep the cards between rooms, but you don't... they don't refresh after you use them, unless you go to a certain point. So... to see I don't get my cards back when I go into the next room. So I either have to add more cards here, but obviously you wouldn't actually do this in the game. We're still figuring out how the cards work. There we go. Look at that. If I open the map. Okay. So look at that. It's all procedurally generated. Somehow. Oh, there's a shop. Look at that. Oh, here's the forge. It spawns in the shop currently. Subnautica is my game of all time, but this is not a Subnautica clone. Just love the idea of underwater survival. So underwater survival, but it's not Subnautica. Alright. Pretty cool. Well, that's interesting how these have something I'll have to bring up to Biddy. Can I put stickers on any card now? Oh, I can. Look at that. I don't think it actually does anything. I think. Does it do anything? Let's see if I... Oh, it does actually work. Look at that. Because it started at 6 charges and now it is 9. Thoughts on Echo the Dolphin? Are you asking me or Echo? Because I have no idea who or what that is. Yeah, there's some weird stuff about this UI. But I was thinking of adding... Can I not scroll? Oh, okay. You can scroll all the way down, but not on. That's also weird. Ah. Okay. Can I? Can't scroll. Oh, I can scroll. Wait, no? I don't know. Some weird stuff here. It's like half of it you can only use with controller, and then half of it you have to use the mouse for. It's confusing. But that's pretty cool. But I was thinking of making at least the art for this UI look nicer. I don't know the best way to do that, because this is the Forge, so like something kind of Forge themed would probably be cool. But I don't know how to do that. Or what would look nice. So that's what I was thinking of doing possibly today. I also want to work on this tile set a little bit more. I want to make it a little bit more spooky looking. I don't know what to do. To do that, where are my cards? Oh yeah, I forgot I also designed this card back, which I may or may not use. Kind of ugly, but... You know what, let's just export this and see how this looks in game, why not? Okay. Where did I save the card back? In here. It's in here somewhere. Probably. There we go. I had to figure out where this is used. In here somewhere. I think it's like card visual or something. Yeah, it's card visual. Where is material? Back texture, that's what we want. Okay, let's see how this looks. Oh, it still has the old one. It's interesting. gonna post any devlogs. I want to. The problem is they're like hard to make, and I don't know how to make videos well. So I'm hoping to make one within the next couple months, or at least like a overview of what I've been working on in a video format. I don't know how consistent they'll be, but I want to at least make a couple. Okay, now why did that not work? It's like set it in the script somewhere. You know, I could just card back. It's in here somewhere. Hello, Foxupai. Only meowing in my chat, no barking. There's a strict no barking rule. You could take some Twitch VODs and condense them, I guess. I don't know. My Twitch VODs are kind of boring. I'd much rather just make like a dedicated video. Also, hello Meowj. Lukai's no growling in chat either. Okay. Is this what I want? Card back texture, and where is card back texture defined? Literally 1984. So true. It's menu card is not liking that. So it's card background. I think this is the only place. It's menu card. Start menu card? Oh wait, no, it's start menu. Wait, menu card? What is menu card? I'm so confused. Literally 1988. Subtract 4 years. I can't do that. I need a calc for that one. I can't do that in my head. Okay. Let me check the remote scene tree. Oh wait, no, it's not what we want. We want the level layer and radial. Hey, what is your material? Material? Okay, there we go. For some reason, so does it set the material in the code somewhere? I'm probably like wasting a bunch of time here, but you know, whatever, it's okay. Making entertainment as something that's pretty boring is hard. That is very true, and I am very boring. Let's see, material, is this it? Backscale now. That's not what I want. Sticker. Start menu card. It's menu card. Okay, none of those are used. And what is this? What type of... What are you? How do I tell what kind of thing you are? A hand card. Hand card. Is it because I didn't set it in the hand card scene? Just coding and making art is kind of boring. Dev streams are second monitor content. That's very true, yeah. Doesn't make them bad. That's also a good thing to remember. Material, no? Here. Aha, so your back texture didn't change with that. Why didn't that change is the question. Theoretically that should work. I don't know why. Thought that should share the same thing, but or third monitor. If you have three. I have a ultra wide and a second monitor, which I'd say is just as good. I do like my ultra wide. There we go, now they have their back. Oh, that's interesting. Wait a second. They don't all... Yeah. Nope. I didn't want to do that. Yeah, it doesn't look terrible. Could be better, but it works. Yay. But yeah, Biddy has been doing some crazy stuff with the cards. I don't know what's going on anymore. So I'm just drawing art, and I will wait for him to figure out what all that's doing. Okay, so we got that. I need to figure out how to draw UI, because UI is hard, and I don't want to do UI, but I need to do UI. So, we're gonna put off doing UI and draw some tile maps instead. How do I make this area more spooky and less just like a generic room? Because right now this just looks like a perfectly clean, nice library. I want it to look like spooky and evil. I don't know how to do that. There's red 40 in my veins. Literally me. I'm chugging Dr. Pepper right now. I'm a big Dr. Pepper fan. I think you should have some like big chandeliers. That would be cool. Maybe some like chains could be cool. Don't know how I would use chains, but chains are cool. I forgot. We'll have to add the train at some point. So the idea for the train was going to be that there's like certain rooms that have like train platforms on them, and then you can like recall the train from anywhere else in the level, and it'll take you to like one of the platforms. So it's like a teleporter. Kind of like I want it to be kind of like Gungeon, where once you discover a teleporter, you can teleport to it from wherever. You don't have to like teleport from one teleporter to another teleporter, because that can make things just more annoying to walk between. So that's the idea for that. Did I add anything to my to-do list? I did, look at that. Bookshelf tiles, I did do that. Randomized floor style, so I only have this Forge UI. And then, more decorative assets. I wonder if the cobwebs that I had from the other tile set would look good in here. We need some flatter walls, but yeah, I can fix that though. Let's go to our ground layer and kill all of this. Eraser, please. Thank you. The problem where I'm very linear, I am trying to make a intro using a text box, but I have no idea how to do that. So literally all my progress has stopped on my game. Yeah, I run into that a lot too, where I like just get stuck on one thing. It can help to just try to work on something else and then come back to it. Can't really think of how I deal with that specifically. Kind of just like give up for a bit and then come back to it later. And then sometimes I'll just magically figure it out. I'm very bad at like consistency and things like that too, so. Oh, that actually looks pretty cool in here. What if I just use this like entire tile decorative set in here? It's gonna look really weird. Just go on a different layer. Anybody know where I can get like a placeholder 3D rigged character? I think Mixamo has rigged characters that you can use. They also have a lot of free animations, I believe. I haven't used it myself, but I've heard that it's very good for that sort of thing. I could be entirely wrong, but that's what I would check. It's gonna look really funky, but it could be cool. Yeah, no problem. I want to work in 3D sometime. I haven't done a whole lot of 3D stuff. I tried it a little bit when I first started, but I had no clue what I was doing, so I just completely failed. I don't know what I'm doing here. I'm just putting random props in here and seeing looks. Yeah, it looks kind of terrible, but I like the cobwebs. The cobwebs are nice. Maybe make them a little bit brighter, or a little bit of a different color. Also, this works well as a good like secondary layer. Go to ground secondary and we take our, we want this to be floor 3 tile set. So now we could use this guy. It's like a second floor. Or it's like, these could be platforms. It's probably gonna work really terribly, but just messing around. I actually like using foreground and background being the same tile. That looks kind of cool. Look at the little peepo. He dancing. Oop, wrong button. I ran the wrong scene. Oop, I'm stuck in the wall. Look at that. Let's fix that. There we go. Look in there. There we go. It's like a really impractical level, but it looks cool. At least I think it looks cool. We'll see if it actually looks cool. Yeah, I like that. It's funny how these don't connect here. And I don't think it's too hard to tell like which ones are walls and which ones are background. It's okay. And obviously the levels won't be this like close right now. I'm just kinda like messing around. Need to figure out what to do with like the parallax in the background. Maybe I just make it like the inside of a building or something. I don't know what would look good for that, since this is kind of like indoors. It's Traveler's Encore in your music playlist. Is that Outer Wilds? Because if it is, no. Either way, no, I don't think it's on my playlist. Should I add it? Is it good? I can add it, if you want. But if it's bad, I might have to ban you. Maybe. It's good, okay. I'll add it right now. I haven't beat the game, so I haven't heard it. There we go, it's now on the stream playlist. I haven't beaten Outer Wilds. I got bored. Nah, I don't want to finish Outer Wilds. It's too hard. You'll never catch me. You can't make me. Stop Dante 9 and finish Outer Wilds on the stream. No, I'm not doing that. And Rain World too. I do need to finish Rain World. Rain World, I just got annoyed. It's so hard. I want to finish it. It's just so hard. It's not that hard, but like, it kind of is. Literally faster than me. That might be true. That might be true. Okay, let's make a chandelier. How do I make a chandelier? Guys, help. Oop, we want a new empty frame. Use symmetry. That is true. Look at that, someone being useful in chat. Push pixels around. So true. Why did it copy the whole thing? Did not want to copy the whole thing. To copy a tiny little section of the whole thing. Okay, we should probably make this a tile map. Actually, no, I don't need to. Yippee. Lucky you, you get to listen to your song. The big boy commission coming and I need to use new drawing software. Are you doing like digital art or like pixel art? Okay, chandelier. Let's get a reference for this so I know what a chandelier looks like. This is so P-Man are only halfway there. Is it really though? Digital art, I used to use Photoshop. I own a professional license, but I got a new PC, so I had to reinstall it. And Adobe shut off the activation server this year. That is, sounds like Adobe. That's not fun. I recommend Clip Studio Paint. That's what I use. I really like it. I have not used Photoshop, so I don't know how similar it is to Photoshop, but I've heard that it's pretty similar. I got like a free, like 3-year license with my drawing tablet, so I've just been using that for now. Okay, chandelier, chandelier. I like that one. I mean, Clip Studio Paint does have paint in the name, so I mean, it's gotta be like decent. So do you know why I like it so much now? The song sounds like a regular uh, Outer Wilds song. If you ask me, you know. There we go, back to actually good music. Let's go. Yeah, I know. The different guys play the different instruments. I haven't played that much, but like I know that much. I'm not too stupid. I'm pretty dumb, but like not quite that much. This guy hates me. I don't hate you, Sakai. I mean, maybe sometimes, but like not today. It doesn't look terrible so far. Just gotta trust the process, you know? And obviously I'm gonna color this, it's not just gonna be gray. You wanna Peem on stream? No, I'm not playing Peak. I am going to game dev and draw pixel art. Although Peak on stream could be fun someday. Maybe someday. But today is not that day. Not do the symmetry now, so we can shade. Yeah, I think we can symmetry these guys here. Why is it not symmetrying? Grr. Where did my symmetry go? It's over. Oop, we do not want the symmetry now. Actually, I think we want this to go here. Like that, sort of. Something like that. Oop, no, here we go. Almost there. I think that looks pretty cool. Make like these red as well. Yeah, it looks like I think we'll stick with that for now. Let's see. Actually, I think we want to make this stick up into here, so that way we can export it as a larger piece. Or no, let's move it down. It's that way we can make it like swing with the code of animating things. There you go, beautiful. How the heck do I spell chandelier? I definitely know how to spell chandelier. Beautiful. Now we can just stick it into Godot. Let's see, new scene. Where are our tile maps? 4-3. Tile map. Where are you? There's our lamp. Let's actually just duplicate this scene. Where are you saved? Perfect. Okay. Where did I put the chandelier? Did I put it? Oh, it's in floor 3. Duh. Yeah. We can make a little bit larger, it's like 1.5 the size. At the very center. Again. Oh. Actually, reset that. Actually, we want to change your offset. Nope. No. There we go. I think that's what we want. Probably close enough. Don't want to save that. And add a new scene. Source objects. That doesn't quite work as intended. about that? A little bit more. One more. There we go. See how these look. They don't look terrible. I don't think they look great. How can I make these better? I think the dark colors here looks really bad. What if we just get rid of that entirely? We'll just make everything one brighter. Export the right thing. There we go. A little bit brighter. I don't know if that really helps or not. Maybe a little. Get rid of the red in the middle. I don't like that. Yeah, it feels a little less intrusive. Now I feel like there should be these guys like in the middle here. Why do these look so bad? What am I doing wrong? add some like color in here. Yeah, it actually looks kind of cool now. I just like added random blobs. It looks like something. Sometimes the solution is just start drawing random junk and it'll turn into something eventually. There you go, that looks cool. Why is this one like flicker? If the terrain is fully destructible, no, the terrain will not be fully destructible. It's not happening. These are pretty cool though. Might make a few little changes, but definitely cooler than they were before. Okay. Actually keep both of these, that way I have normal chandelier and spooky chandelier. We have the carpet connected to the wall. It's right up against one. I don't know if I can do that. I think. Because there's no way for her to tell if it's up against a wall or another carpet. I don't think. There might be. But I think it looks good enough like this that I don't feel like bothering with figuring out that. Because that would involve, I think, using like multiple terrain bit masks. And it's a little bit confusing. Custom data layer? Yeah, that would just be too complicated for this. Yeah, I'm not gonna bother with that. Really, I just realized this is slightly different, so you can just copy this over and just get rid of all these guys manually. Probably should have saved it separately before I covered it in goop, but whatever. It's okay. Yeah, it's gonna make our life annoying. Ow, excuse me. I'm dying. think we have one that's just like mildly gooped. Oops. 11. Don't need this one anymore, that's the old one that looks bad. So you we can save as Chandelier 1. You as Chandelier 2. Actually, I'll make these the same size. There we go. Wait, no, that's wrong. Is there a way to make go here? Tile sets. Can't randomize these, can I now? How should I randomize these? Guess it already's got the script on it. So let's make it an animated sprite 2D. Actually, no, we don't even need that. Do we? No. Yes. I'm going insane. So. No. Where did I save this? It's in tile maps. I'm slow today. Oh, wrong one. Here we go. Okay. Now if we run this, it should theoretically randomize my chandeliers. Look at that, they're random. These ones don't look bad either. I might make these interactable at some point where you can like knock them down into enemies and things like that. That would be cool. What would it look like if I use a different tile set here? Looks funny. Oh, better. Combine these. I don't think this is gonna look very good, is it? Yeah, it looks pretty bad. It's not terrible, but I don't really like it. How can I make this better? Let me look. What if we use this in the background as well? It's an idea. Looks kind of cool. Maybe mix like a stone with this? Like, what if the bricks? Let the bricks go with this. Secondary. Swap you out with the first one again. It's gonna break. That's okay. There we go. Use. How does that look? I don't know what to do with these tile maps. There's so many little things. How does this look? Okay. It's not great. Why do those lights disappear when I walk away from them? Is there some setting on these that I changed? Range. Just quickly change the texture scale. Does that have to do with it? Nope, that was the wrong button. That's the wrong scene. I'm struggling today. It's weird. Does that do that for the lanterns too? Let me look this up. Do let me look up. Something weird in here. That tile map? Where's my tile map? think if I make this smaller, that should help. No, it's still being weird. That's really weird. That work any better? Still disappearing. That's very strange. I think the light limit is 16, but I should only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 on here. I get rid of a couple of these, does that make a difference? Oh wait, I was using the wrong, editing the wrong layer, so that actually might make a difference. Rendering. Let's make you 8. You here, change that back. Let's try that again. Making it worse, I feel like. Why is it doing that? Do the lamps do that too? Yep. Let's see. We want to duplicate this script, I think. There we go. Here. Lamp. We can rewrite that back to the old one. All better. those do that too. That's weird. Do they do that in the tutorial too? Oh, yeah, they do. It's interesting. I guess I never noticed that. That is really weird. Let me look that up again. Hmm. Hmm. I might be able to just worry about that later. Biddy might be able to help with that. Something's really weird with the lights, but no big deal. I will just add that to the to-do list. Okay. But hey, we got a couple cool looking chandeliers released out of that. What if we add like a goopy overlay on a separate layer? Oop. play right now. I'm just drawing random blobs. Looks cool. How did I do this? Let's see. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing here. I'm just like adding some blobs to the, trying to add in like another floor overlay tile. See what happens. Okay, let's see, I think this should be enough tiles. I think we might want. Try that. We want to hide other layers first. There we go. Okay, let's see if this does anything useful whatsoever, or it might just look terrible. It'll probably just look terrible. That's okay. It's experimentation day. Okay. New terrain. Okay, if this works, I'm actually gonna be very surprised. That's all I need, right? I don't need any occlusion or anything. that works. Okay, look, that does work. Almost. Might have just painted that wrong. Oh, hello, Wilson. I did not see you there. I don't know how long you've been here. Maybe that'll work. Oh, wait, I see. Now that might... There we go, now it works, kind of. It's a little messed up, but... Looks interesting. I don't know if I like it or not, but good to know that I can like combine the textures like that. So I don't know why they're like really shiny. I like it. I don't know if I'll use it, but it's a cool idea. What if we swap this out with the blue carpet? Oh, I guess that wouldn't make a difference because it's red. There. Yeah, I guess we could still do it. Nope. Yeah. It's the wrong colors. Nice. That not export? Hello? Oh. Duh. There we go. We like that any better. I think it's a little too contrasty. Hello, Kitty Marketing. What is up? I'm trying to draw some tile sets today. Looks pretty bad, I don't like it. We'll go back to the blue. There we go. Yeah, I don't know if I like it, but let's get rid of this. Oh, we're not having like multiple experimental things at once. What else could I add? Look. Hello, welcome in. I'm trying to figure out some decorations to add to my tile set that I have here. I don't know what. Maybe like some statues. Suit everyone who makes games. I can't make graphics to save my life. Yeah, it takes a lot of practice. A lot of practice. And I'm still pretty bad at it. Okay. I think like a... So off. Can mostly make UI and web dev stuff. Yeah, that I can't do, so... No clue how any of that works. Okay, I think like a statue of some kind. What kind of statue would be cool? Try to find some references. Use Python nowadays, but main language is C++. Yeah, the game engine I'm using mostly uses a very Python-like language. I have not done any C++ before. Looks scary. Started coding when I was 9. What about you? I started... the first time I really did like actual coding stuff was I took a couple classes in high school that were pretty good, but I have done like game dev with like Scratch and like block coding and things like that since I was like probably 9 or 10 too. So I have a lot of the concepts pretty early. What would be a cool statue? Learned C++ when I was 9 because I originally wanted to get into game dev. Yeah, I've always kind of wanted to do game dev, and then over COVID I like binged a bunch of game dev videos and tried Unity, which I absolutely hated. And then a few years later I found Godot and started working with that. And now I'm here working on my own game, which is... I would not have expected this, but pretty cool. I don't know what I'm doing, but I managed to work on this game for about a year, so... I think I'm succeeding a little bit. Okay. We want this to be symmetrical as well. I wanted to just learn the language of Unity, so technically C#, but misheard it for C++. That's funny. I could not tell you the difference between the two. I know there obviously is, but I did do a bit of Java with my classes, which is similar to C#. so I've heard. So I don't know what I'm drawing. I'm just making a statue of some variety, but it looks kind of cool so far. So you don't find a job in game dev or what? I'm trying to do just stuff on my own right now. I don't know if I would want to do it as a job. It depends on where, to be honest. If I got like, if it was at like a smaller studio or someplace that like I knew was good, maybe, but I don't really want to just like work at any random old game dev job. I want it to be something that I like either actually enjoy. Either that or I'll just get a job somewhere else that'll probably pay better, because it's hard to get a good game dev job these days. Work as a software engineer. It's my passion. If I get into it, guarantees a very comfortable life with the money and such where I live. Yeah, that's fair. Uh, I would possibly be interested in getting just like a basic software engineer job, but I don't know where to get started with that. I really only know like game dev stuff. Dude, what if I make this whole thing like red? How would that look? Go to dark. Hmm. CS and maybe business. Yeah, I thought about maybe taking some business classes. Business major here, don't do business. I did not know you were a business major, Wilson. It's pretty cool. That explains a lot, actually. So you want to get into a specific job that requires a business major. From what I've found, most people do other things. That makes sense. But yeah, I don't really know what I'm doing, so I'm just gonna... I just graduated, so... from high school, so I will probably just be doing game dev stuff until I figure out what I want to do. And then if I need to go to college, I will do that. I'm not gonna just like go to college for something I'm not gonna end up using. I think this looks pretty cool so far. I really don't know what I'm doing. I'm just like drawing random lines and it looks kind of cool. Sometimes that happens. It's rare, but it happens. Cool. Now let's see how this looks. Where is my statue? Here. Where'd it go? Hello? Did I break it? Oh. It's weird, it went into the wrong folder. We want texture origin. HB 8. Yes, 8. See what these look. It's like pretty cool, I guess. I don't know, like the horns being a different color. like that better. Get rid of the ground overlay. Yeah, those look pretty cool. I think they should be destructible, but I will do that later, because I need to do that for like all the props. You'll be able to destroy most, if not all, of the decorative bits. Just make it more fun. What else could we add? Can't think of anything right now. I'm very tired. I might end stream a little early. I need to eat dinner. I'm just not feeling very productive today. Let's see, what time is it? It's 5:30. Yeah, I might just call it here for tonight. But hey, we got a cool chandelier, cool statue, and some kind of terrible ground overlay done. Better than nothing. But thank you everybody for hanging out. Let's see, we can find somebody to raid real quick. Just 1 second. Who is streaming today? Alright, we are going to go raid just Covino. Alright, thank you everybody for hanging out. I'll be streaming not same time, 6:30 p.m. EST on Tuesday, and Bitlytic will probably be streaming with me that time on Tuesday. He was not available today, he is traveling right now. Alright. Thank you everybody for hanging out. See ya.